We can't do this.
Well, then do it hard enough that it goes in.
You want another 16?
My mama told me. Lord, I'm not letting you touch my tools ever again.
Wow. We're binding.
Morning, everybody. I am Adam with Meller Woodworks, coming to you live, not live, actually, that's a lie. Coming to you from our trailer, because this is where it's safe today, because it's gonna be raining all day long. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We've got a building that we've got to complete, and we need to make progress on it because we have goals, and those goals come in the form of dates that we need to hit, deadlines. So we're gonna work through this rain today. So we're gonna put our jackets on, our gloves on, and we're just gonna get after it. But right now, while we're waiting for this cloud to pass over, we're gonna drink our coffee and wait for it to lighten up just a little bit. It's kind of nice that we only have to do this one line, then we can get straight into sheathing.
Yeah.
And then just trace that line all the way up.
There's nails in the way.
Yeah, such is life. Work around them. It ain't gotta be perfect. It's gotta be perfect.
Huh.
Maybe that's why it's stinky. Oh, I forgot to text Caden. I talk about stuff a lot. I don't answer myself. So that's good. Yo, yo. You guys working today? Okay, if he calls it, feel free to come out here. We're working. Here comes the rain.
Do 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 do.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
You're not even gonna say anything?
Oh.
You're just gonna hold it until I secure these two.
Work with me now. Whoa! Look at all this water here.
We can't do this
Why?
because we put the header board on.
Oh no! Why didn't we use screws?
Because we're stupid.
That's like actually an issue.
Yeah,
For like a, it's not just an issue now, it's an issue for later too.
yeah. Just lift it over your head, Beavis.
Crushing my skull.
Well, lay it down off your skull. There's a whole board there. All right, I got this side. Okay. 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 Oh, actually, yeah.
Oh my.
To me. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
My back part is wet.
Push, push, push. Start popping off the sheathing.
Okay.
And try and do it so we can save it and reuse it. I'm drawing my schematic. I need to know what heights I need to cut all these posts to. Go for the solid tone. Right there. So I'm at 2 feet 10 and a half. So we're gonna try this out, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I have very, very high hopes. But just in theory, it seems like it should work great, but I don't know if it will. So this is what we're dealing with. It's a Praze, I don't know. It's a beam cutter. This is the DeWalt saw, corded. Had it in the garage, haven't touched it for 3 years. I found this attachment on Amazon for like 130, 20, 40, somewhere around there, 130 bucks. And it just attaches to your existing circular saw. So I saw it and I'm like, So I've been wanting to get the skill saw beam cutter, big one. I just don't want to drop the 600 bones on it yet. So I saw this and I was like, I'll try that, maybe. I'm willing to give that a shot. Wasn't the easiest thing to see, but it chomped right through it.
Get out the way. Brandon.
Thanks.
Bring it down. Go ahead.
We are getting the other half of our building finished up today. Last week we got the 2 side walls on, and then today we came in, we put 2 trusses up. Now we're gonna build this end wall, get our last truss up. Wow, you making Dumbo joke? That's not cool, man. That was my childhood nickname.
I got big ears
Till
too.
I grew into my ears.
We're twins, bro. We're twins. They used to call me Dumbo too, man. It's all right. I just got pretty, but you didn't. It must be jam, because jelly don't jiggle like that, does it? It must be jam.
Then we're gonna get purlins on.
That side from this way, and then we do YMCA. You're such a dork, dude. Laugh, have a little fun, a little bit, even a little bit.
2 seconds ago, you're giving me crap about why do teachers always do that and the other, and now I'm trying to be a better teacher, then you give me crap?
A better teacher? You just shouted the Konami code at me, dude.
What, are they? Because over there it looks like they're under.
Oh, you're asking those ones.
That one's over.
This one's over.
You're a wannabe.
Oh, you're a has-been.
You need the other ladder, don't you?
Yeah.
Without laughing and in all seriousness, what we're doing right now is teaching the child. He's gonna climb my ladder, not take my tools. I'm gonna install it with a hope and a prayer.
Yeah, do whatever you're talking about. We'll go with it.
Jeez.
What we are getting into today is we pretty much have our building up. So now we're getting ready for spray foam. At the top of our roof, our walls, and the bottom of our roof line, we have this gap, okay? And when we put spray foam up there, yeah, we could probably fill it with the spray foam, but if we fill that gap with the spray foam, we're gonna lose a lot of spray foam through that process. So what we do is we just throw up a little bit of a barrier. That's all it is. This is just leftover underlayment for roof. So all we're doing is stapling it up there so that way the spray foam has something to adhere to. Look at those things. After that, we'll start getting our peel and stick weather block water barrier on our roof. Go grab a tape measure and chalk line. Now go all the way to the other end, do the same thing. All right, leave it there. I'll put it on the line. Good. As he's pulling it out, you're brushing it on. And then Caden, a lot of pressure. Hey, how's it going? No. Overlap it good. Good overlap.